Who will be first?
Testicular torsion!
Oh my god! Who taught him that? Good job, Jorbo. Good job.
Shut up, bitch!
What was that, you little shit? What'd you say to me? I was praising you! I was being nice! Candy, where are you? Hi! You're so... Jorbo! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Jorbo! You've doomed us all.
According to the judgment of the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale, we now turn to the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale. The judgment of the Oratrice Mécanique d'Analyse Cardinale.
What are you doing?
Abraca, fuck you!
I kind of want to slay the princess now.
I've only been using a mere 5% of my power. Now let's see how well you fare against my Biden